Welcome back to our MetaTrader 5 video guide series, where today we'll explore the Market Watch window, your control center for tracking live forex prices and executing trades. The Market Watch window sits in the top left corner of your MT5 platform and gives you multiple ways to view and trade the markets. By default, you'll see the Symbols tab displaying currency pairs with live quotes. To see all the forex pairs we offer, right-click anywhere in the panel and choose Show All. You can curate your watch list by right-clicking any symbol and selecting Hide to remove pairs you don't trade. Keep your workspace focused on what matters to you. Each currency pair shows two prices, the bid price where you can sell and the ask price where you can buy. The difference between them is your spread. Want more data? Right-click anywhere in Market Watch and select Columns to add additional information like spread, time of last update, or daily high and low prices. You can also click the Details tab at the bottom of Market Watch to see a comprehensive view of quotes on your selected currency pair, including the most recent bid, ask, and session highs and lows all in one place. Opening a chart for Market Watch is simple. Right-click any pair, like Euro USD, and select Chart Window, or just drag and drop it onto your workspace. Now, here's a game changer. Click the Trading tab. This gives you a more visual and comprehensive view of your symbols, and it supports one-click trading. Just set your lot size, and you can execute trades instantly with buy and sell buttons right here. No need to open a separate order window. You can also view live tick charts showing real-time bid-ask price movements. Right-click any symbol and choose Tick Chart, or simply click the Ticks tab at the bottom of Market Watch. That's Market Watch, your command center for monitoring markets and executing trades. Customize the columns, explore the tabs, and find the workflow that works best for you.